All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So here's the OtterBox Defender Pro for the iPhone 13. So you guys know I now have the product red iPhone 13. And we're gonna protect this bad boy with a black Defender series. Ooh-wee. Beautiful, lovely, lovely. This color with the black is so beautiful. So obviously you get this big holster right here, which I just normally clip these in the car somewhere. Let's put that over there. Here's the case. Ooh-wee. Beautiful. I love OtterBoxes, man. I love OtterBoxes. And since these phones are a lot thinner, this OtterBox is a little bit thinner. So that's a good look. So we'll take it apart. You've got that padding in there. As you can see, it says Defender Pro Drop Plus. You got your ports covered like they should be here and here. And you got everything covered here. And we're gonna go ahead and peel this off and put it on. This is like a 3-piece style case. You get this portion here, rubbery, grippy portion right there. And you have these snaps all along here. Just like this. And this is all the pieces to the case right there. So I'm gonna clean up the device real quick and put the back portion on. This portion will go on here. It's always best to clean your device the best you can before you put it into a case, especially if you plan on leaving it there. That portion will go on like that. And let's see here. I freestyled my tempered glass for this one. I didn't use the tray. So I might have to buy a new tempered glass because I took this one off of my Pro model and just popped it on here since it's the same size screen and it works. But let's go ahead and pop this in. So lovely. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's beast mode. Ooh, I'm feeling this so much. Loving this black and red theme right here. So you got your power button right here. As you can see here. Oh, I pushed the button 20 times for the code, but it definitely works. You got a little hint of red coming through the top up there. I love that. And you got your vibrate mute switch deeply recessed. And let me go ahead and unlock it real quick. As you can see here, volume rockers, looking pretty good. Power button's good. Now I have protection all over again. As you can see, again, I have that matte frosted privacy glass on there. And then you have the black on the back. You got all this grip, OtterBox branding right there. Super beast mode. All right, all ports and everything are lining up. This is a good look. I'm feeling this now. Now I'm totally protected again. I just went all black this time since the phone is such a beautiful red. I just like the highlights of the red that pop through, like just at the top up there. And then you got the little red camera bump. And I like that this camera bump is so much smaller. It's just beautiful, man. This is a good look right here. Ooh. And it does work with wireless charging as well. It's a software update. It does work with wireless charging. This is it, man. This is the new look right here. This is the way I plan on riding out all the way into the next iPhone. So it's your man Jay, the OtterBox Defender Pro. I bought the same one for the Pro series, and I just got it right here for the 13. So here it is. This black and red is just stupid right here. This is such a beautiful combination, man. It's sick. There it is, man. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care.